All right, now we're moving on to 8.2, which is very similar in a lot of respects to 8.1, but it has some fundamental differences. Now, what I do in class is what I'm going to show you guys here. How to put this? 8.2 basically lays the foundation for all statistical surveys and polls. Which, if you know anything about statistics, you know that they happen all the time. Like, what proportion of people are going to give away Halloween candy this week? And what proportion of people are going to get better due to this drug? And what proportion of people are going to vote for this person or this person, right? So what I did was I have an experiment in class, and we're going to kind of do a similar type thing here with us. So I have a box that contains red and white beans. It says here, I'm going to do beads, Beads. And I have pictures up on my website. So let me show you that. Under 133 online. There we go. Here is the box of beads. There it is, sitting on one of the tables in my office. Isn't it pretty? Okay, so now the deal is that this is a metaphor for a much larger thing. You know, this is, I don't know, all the Republicans in Michigan, and then the Reds are the ones that are going to vote for, I don't know, Mitt Romney in the next election or whatever candidate. Okay, so this is a big idea. Now, how can we figure out what proportion of people are going to vote for Mitt Romney and such? Are we really going to poll every single one? Are you going to count every single bead in the box? Well, of course not. I mean, it's a waste of your time. And quite frankly, most people don't have the time and money to do such a thing. So what are we going to do instead? Okay, so looking at the container, what proportion of red beads do you expect? So look at it, ponder it, figure out what proportion you think. I happen to know what proportion it is, but I'm going to pretend I don't know, and I'm going to give a typical student answer, which is, I don't know, looks like 25%. Okay, why not? Now, how close do you think your estimate is to the true proportion of red beads in the box? That is, how confident are you in your estimate? Well, we're not confident at all, right? It can't be the true proportion of red beans, whatever, is not exactly 100% or 25%, right? It's not. I mean, at most it'd be like 25.23645%, right? I mean, you don't know the whole number of beads in the box. You don't know how many of them are red. I mean, you don't know any of that stuff. So you're actually 100% sure, right? So we are 100% sure that the true portion of red beads is not 25%, right? But how confident, or how could you be? Let me put it this way. But we're pretty sure that it should be close to 25%, right? I mean, it's not 50%. I mean, look at the box. It's not 50. So 25, 30, who knows? But it's going to be somewhere around there. Now, how could I be more confident? What could I do to get an estimate that would be better? And the answer is take a sample and count the number of red beads or beans, whatever. And that's exactly what I did. So let's go to the next picture. Oopsie, wrong internet. All right, so let me go here and let me go to image number 2. I took a sample. I have a little cup. There's my hand. Yep. And I took a sample and then I counted out. Oop, there's another picture of the sample in case you didn't believe me. Wanted to see the size of the cup. And then I counted out the red and the white beads. And there they are. Cool, huh? And I already counted these. This is 35 red beads to 155 white beads. Okay. So let me go back to the notes real quick. We took a sample. We found 35 red beads. Oopsie, 35. There we go. And the total number of beads. Oh, I'm sorry. Sorry, hold on. It wasn't. Sorry, I had to flip back for a second. It was 155 white beads, which means 190 beads total, right? Because 155 plus 35 makes 190.